When it comes to awning window installation in Manassas, Virginia, choosing the right service provider is crucial for ensuring quality and durability. Awning Windows Manassas services offer a wide range of options for both residential and commercial properties, making it easy to find the perfect fit for your needs. With a focus on energy-efficient awnings, these services help homeowners and businesses reduce energy costs while enhancing the aesthetic appeal of their properties. Custom awning windows are a popular choice for those looking to add a unique touch to their homes or offices. Manassas window contractors specialize in creating bespoke designs that cater to individual preferences and architectural styles. Whether you're interested in modern awning windows or more traditional designs, the local window experts in Manassas, VA, can provide the perfect solution. For those in need of window replacement in Manassas, there are numerous options available to suit any budget. Affordable window services in the area ensure that you don't have to compromise on quality when upgrading your windows. From durable awning windows to energy-efficient windows, Manassas, the selection is vast and varied, allowing you to choose the best awning windows in Manassas for your specific requirements. Energy-efficient windows in Manassas are a popular choice for homeowners looking to reduce their energy bills. With modern awning windows and secure window solutions, you can enhance your home's comfort and security. Manassas window efficiency experts are skilled in providing weather-resistant windows that stand up to the elements. Whether you're interested in awning window upgrades or need advice on window design consultation, the Manassas window design experts are here to help. Awning window replacement is another essential service offered by Manassas Window Replacement Services. Whether your windows have suffered damage from weather or wear and tear, professional window installers in Manassas can restore them to their original condition. With a focus on quality window products and secure window solutions, you can trust that your windows will be in good hands. Residential Awning Windows Manassas are a fantastic option for homeowners looking to improve their property's curb appeal and functionality. Manassas residential window solutions offer a range of styles and materials to choose from, ensuring that you find the perfect match for your home. With options for window frame materials and window style options, the possibilities are endless. Commercial window solutions in Manassas cater to businesses looking to enhance their premises with durable and energy-efficient windows. Commercial awning windows, Manassas, are designed to withstand the rigors of daily use while providing excellent insulation and security. Trusted window company Manassas offers a variety of options to suit different business needs and budgets. Durable Awning Windows Manassas are a must-have for any property in Manassas, VA, where weather conditions can be unpredictable. Weather-resistant windows Manassas are designed to withstand harsh elements, ensuring that your property remains protected year-round. With Manassas window maintenance experts on hand, you can keep your windows in top condition with regular maintenance. Manassas window maintenance experts are available to help keep your windows in top condition. Regular awning window maintenance can extend the life of your windows and improve their performance. Whether you need affordable awning windows in Manassas or are looking for the best awning windows in Manassas, the local window experts can provide the guidance you need. With a focus on quality awning windows Manassas, you can trust that your investment will be well protected.